side, what I plan to do with this guy is completely clean him up, strip him down. I'm also going to make a template. I'm just going to box this whole trailing arm in. But I will show you how I'll make this template. That's it. We'll start taking it apart. So you guys have time lapse and we'll hit it on. Okay, so here we have them all torn apart except for the actual hub assembly. This the inner race stayed on, so I have to cut it off because there's no real way for me to get it off without cutting it. I'm gonna cut this race off, then I'm gonna continue cleaning it all up, getting it ready to build my template or lay out a template, draw them out of my SolidWorks. Once I have that all drawn out, then I could go and have all my pieces cut. Okay, so this is cleaned up. I wanted to leave the paint in here because this is, I'm gonna have a plate here, cover all this up, so I'm not gonna be able to apply any primer or paint after I weld it shut. So I kept that there. I cleaned up all the metal around it. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mask the areas to make my template. That way. What's up, guys? So what I'm going to do right now, use that template to draw it up on SolidWorks. But what I end up doing is I take a picture of my template, I make a measurement on the template itself. I draw two lines and a specified distance. For this particular one I use 2 inches. And I use that distance on the picture to scale the picture onto SolidWorks. I draw a line on SolidWorks at a distance of 2 inches. Then I line my 2 marks that I drew on that picture to scale the drawing. And after I have that scale, then I just draw around that picture. So what's up, guys? Here we are at this hobby shop. We're about to get started on cutting the templates and the overlays for both the motor mount and the trailing arm. I also drew up a coil on plug cover because they're also going to go with coil on plug. So we're going to do all that right now. So here I'm going to take you guys through the entire process. So we got I guess the first program we need to go to. so I'm back from the shop where I did the cutting for all these templates. As you can see, there's a slight oversight. Anyways, so here's our whole piece for over there that goes to that side. I forgot about the e-brake cable. So the e-brake cable is either going to come through that hole right there or that hole right there. So I can't really, so I cut this section out. But yeah, so I cut this section out. I need to figure out how I'm going to run that if it's going to go through this hole or that hole. Because if it goes through this hole, I can snake it through and all I need to do is punch out a hole and I can run it through. But if it's this hole, I need to notch this guy out so I can get that proper angle. But anyways, so this is the next step I'll do. This guy on time lapse so you guys can see the process. And here we have it, all welded up. I did stitch weld it, I didn't go all the way around. Alright, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. We will continue on the next one where we'll be painting them, we'll be building them, and we'll be installing them. Maybe. I don't know, I'm not too sure about the install, but definitely building them up, definitely painting them, and definitely showcasing them. So join us on the next episode, and always hit that subscribe, hit that like button, comment if you like. But anyways, really appreciate it, and see you on the next one.